Ever wonder what goes into making the products we use every day? Let us break down the 4 essential ingredients of any economy. Economists call these inputs the factors of production. They are the building blocks required to create any good or service. There are exactly 4 categories. Understanding how these interact helps explain how businesses function and how wealth is created in our society. Land includes raw materials, while labor is your time and skill. Capital covers the gear, and entrepreneurship is the vision that brings it together. Capital isn't just money. It is split between physical assets like machines and human capital, which represents the knowledge and skills workers possess. While this varies by industry, labor and capital usually represent the largest share of costs in a modern, service-based economy. Remember that scarcity drives value. If a specific factor like skilled labor or land becomes harder to find, costs for everyone usually rise. Understanding these basics is the first step to mastering economic concepts. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about how the world works.